Glass, gypsum building materials, ceramics. They're everywhere in the construction and industrial world, whether that be in buildings, transportation, or infrastructure. Specializing in providing all of them, France-based Saint-Gobain has been doing businesses in China for 37 years. The company has been diversifying its business nationwide, building plants not just in eastern and coastal cities like Shanghai, but also the country's western and northern regions.
For us, it's very important to keep being strong in big cities, tier one like Shanghai, like Shenzhen, to have a hands on the latest innovation. On the other hand, it's important to go in western and northern part regions because some of them are more competitive in terms of cost, labor cost and all the costs.
The company also has high expectations for business prospects in northern regions. Just last week, it signed an agreement with a steel manufacturer in Shandong province to work out solutions to reuse industrial waste materials, at the same time helping advance China's carbon neutrality goals.
And we know that in China there are a massive steel industry, and steel industry they generate a lot of byproducts, which is clean and that we want to reuse to make building materials. And more, what we want to do is to build carbon neutral plants. We have done this in Europe, and we will be very happy to do the same in China.
Having been doing robotics business here for almost 30 years, Swiss-based ABB now has developed a full value chain of robot services in China, from R&D to production, sales, and engineering. Its biggest robotics factory, an investment that has cost 1 billion yuan, will start operation in Shanghai in the third quarter of the year.
The automobile industry is now distributed in quite a balanced way. In northeast areas Shenyang and Changchun, eastern areas Shanghai and southern areas Guangzhou and Liuzhou, western areas Chongqing and Chengdu, as well as Wuhan and Changsha in the central region. For the past 20 years, the growth of the electronics sector has been concentrated in the eastern and southern regions. But we've noticed that in recent years, those industries have been showing signs of growing in the southwest and central regions.
China's actual use of foreign capital during the January to April period expanded more than 26% year-on-year.